mga kaibigan, na once again, no, it's all about God. It's about life. How the God will provide for everything in this universe. Even you are the most corrupt, even you are the most dangerous person of this universe, but the God will provide you life. So, meaning to say, God is the loving. Even you are the bad, even you are good, you are the most bad, or you are the most dangerous. Even you are the killers, even you are the most dangerous rapists in this universe. Even you are the most corrupt of this universe. But God will provide everything about you. Why? So when we say, but there is a command, or there is a provided verses that the God will provide the human in the highly civilized, or the civilizations of humanity, mga kaibigan of this universe, that what the God says is all about vigilant. It's all about to care for in our life. It's all about the protections of our life. It's all about on how to guide and how to survive. So that's why in the highly civilized, in the civilization, or the highly civilized of the humanity of this universe, God will provide everything about us. Why? There is a lot of people out there that they could not understand what was the purpose of life. So the purpose of life is to living longer. If what was the God provide us, and also what was the God making life comfortable, making life in the near future to be successful. So that's all about life, mga kaibigan. On how do we protect our life, the members of the family. So it's all about the soldiers of the God. Why the soldiers of the God? They killed the bad people of the commandments. In Amos 9, or in Amos chapter 9 verse 10, they are allowing those people who are against by the commandments of God, and the people, or the good people of God, will be killed in tabak. So in Romans chapter 14 verse 8, mga kaibigan, that if we live with God, we live with the Lord. If we live and survive and sacrifice by the God, we live for the Lord. If we die for a God, we die for the Lord. So meaning to say, even we are die or living, it is the life of mine is a God. That's all, mga kaibigan. That's there is a lot of people that they could not to understand what was the very beginning, and also there is a lot of people, and there is a lot of times, there is a lot of times in everything. So there is a lot of time that there will be times of the time to be reckoned, or the reckoning. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1 to 7. There is a time to be born. There is a time to be How do we live? There is a time to be angry. There is a time to kill. There is a time for everything. So that's the commandments in the highly civilized or the civilizations of humanity. It would be a guide or the guide of individuals. If you want to be your life in not so good, and then be it. That is put it in the Bible. If you want to be more fruitful, good, and to sacrifice everything first, and then later you can harvest what was the good fruit of your sacrifice, be it. That is put it in the Bible also. So, ganun ho mga kaibigan. Kaya, yung mga corrupt na mga tao, mga kaibigan, di ba? Lahat ho, nagkakasala at nagkukulang ho tayo. There is a crime was committed us. We are all the sinners. We are not all the perfect. But there is to be perfect for this world. How? What was the doing of everybody? That is a problem. Yung mga kaibigan. Huwag ka nang magtataka, huwag ka nang magsasabi pa ng iba-iba dyan. Kaya yung mga kurap dito sa Pilipinas, palagi na nilang niloloko ang mga Pilipino. Yung utak ng mga Pilipino na madali ho maniwala. Maraming nagsasabi ng ganun. Sus, ang naong diskurap mo. Amaw yun.